Did you know that honey is the only food made by an insect that humans eat? It's a remarkable substance, a golden liquid produced by bees from the nectar of flowers. This sweet treat is not just delicious but also incredibly nutritious, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For centuries, honey has been prized for its medicinal properties and used as a natural sweetener. But have you ever wondered how these tiny creatures, buzzing from flower to flower, create this liquid gold? The process of honey production is a fascinating story of teamwork and natural ingenuity. Bees are nature's little engineers working tirelessly to create the sweet substance we all love. It all starts with the worker bees, the industrious females who are responsible for collecting nectar from blossoming flowers. These bees are always on the move, visiting hundreds of flowers each day to gather the precious nectar. These bees have special pouches on their hind legs called pollen baskets. These baskets are designed to carry large amounts of pollen back to the hive, ensuring that no grain is wasted. As they move from flower to flower, sipping nectar through their long tongues, they also collect pollen grains on their furry bodies. This dual collection process is essential for both the bees and the plants. This pollen is vital for plant reproduction, and the bees play a crucial role in pollinating our crops and wildflowers. Without bees, many of the plants we rely on for food would struggle to reproduce. The nectar, a sugary liquid, is stored in a special sac called the honey stomach, ready to be transported back to the hive. Once back at the hive, the nectar will be processed and eventually turned into honey, a process that showcases the incredible efficiency and cooperation of the bee colony. Upon returning to the hive, the worker bee regurgitates the nectar, passing it on to other worker bees called house bees. This exchange is a crucial part of the hive's daily routine, ensuring that the nectar is processed efficiently. These house bees then chew on the nectar, mixing it with enzymes from their mouths. This chewing process is not just a simple task, it is a vital step in transforming the nectar into honey. This process breaks down the complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars like glucose and fructose, making it easier for the bees to digest and store. The transformation of these sugars is essential for the preservation and quality of the honey. The partially digested nectar is then deposited into the honeycomb, a network of hexagonal cells made from beeswax. Each cell is meticulously crafted to hold the nectar securely. The honeycomb is a marvel of engineering, providing a strong and efficient structure for storing honey. Its hexagonal design maximizes space and strength, allowing the hive to store large quantities of honey in a compact area. This intricate process highlights the incredible teamwork and precision of the bee colony. Section 4. Nature's Alchemy, Enzymes and Evaporation. Inside the honeycomb, the magic continues. The enzymes added by the bees continue to work their magic, further breaking down the sugars. At the same time, the bees fan their wings vigorously over the honeycomb, creating air circulation that helps to evaporate excess water from the nectar. This evaporation process is crucial for concentrating the sugars and transforming the nectar into honey. As the water content decreases, the honey becomes thicker and more viscous, reaching its characteristic golden hue and rich flavor. Section 5. Honeycomb liquid gold in storage. Once the honey reaches the desired consistency, the bees seal the honeycomb cells with a thin layer of beeswax. This airtight seal protects the honey from spoilage, preserving its nutritional value and allowing the bees to store it as a food source for the colony, especially during the colder months when nectar is scarce. The honeycomb, with its perfectly hexagonal cells filled with golden honey, is a testament to the bees' industry and remarkable ability to work together for the benefit of the colony. Section 6. The vital importance of bees. The next time you enjoy the sweet taste of honey, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken from flower to table. Each drop of honey represents the hard work and dedication of thousands of bees, tirelessly collecting nectar and transforming it into the golden treat we love. The bees' tireless efforts to produce honey are not only fascinating but also essential for the health of our planet. Their work goes beyond just making honey. They are key players in the ecosystem, contributing to the growth of plants and the balance of nature. As pollinators, bees play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity and ensuring the reproduction of countless plant species, including many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts that we rely on for food. Without bees, our diets would be drastically different, and many of our favorite foods would become scarce. Their survival is intertwined with our own, and it is our responsibility to protect these vital creatures and their precious habitat. By supporting conservation efforts and creating bee-friendly environments, we can help ensure that bees continue to thrive and support the natural world for generations to come.